over. Sanat Jayasuriya is having a bit of a nightmare with the bat. He's dropped himself down the order, and now he's got to nick one to the keeper in the closing stages of this.
He'll throw everything into these last five.
Oh, he's bowled him! He's bowled him! Well, well, well. Wazzy Makram has got 2 big wickets. He got rid of Jayasuriya. Now he's got Aravinda. Aravinda, very, very unlike him, trying to pull that one away. It was a quick delivery, spot on target. And here we go again, 11 to get. Ball him out, he's gone, he's gone. Well, Pakistan can still win this. Don't forget, they're only Murali, Zoysa, Boss to go. They're going to get it off the spinner. That's a good shot. Played away on the offside. Mahmood should be bowling. This was a tactical blunder. All the way to the fence for Paul. Oh, he's bowled in. That's a dreadful shot. Stumps all over the place. They have been absolutely shattered. Shaminder Boss, I think. That's going to happen. He's running one. Will it hit the stumps? No, it won't. He's got one. The scores are now level. So Sri Lanka have at least got 1 point. So last ball from Mahmood, and then Razak will get the ball down the other end, given that the run isn't scored this ball. Here we go again. In swinger again. They're running. This could be out. Oh, he's hitting. He's gone. He's out. Run out. He's out. Run out. He's out. Run out. So that strategy, while it paid off partially, it's ended up in a run out. The run doesn't count, the scores are level, and now Zoysa has to come out, and Razak will be given the ball. The scores are level, 1 run needed to win. This is the last over of the match. Razak has got the ball, he's been bowling absolutely magnificently. They're all saving the one, in he comes now. Well, what's going to happen? Will this be a tie? Bowled him, it's a tie! He's bowled him! This is unbelievable! Well, come back by Pakistan. The most unbelievable game of cricket. Razak, you little beauty.